We'll guide you through how to create and send an invoice in PayPal. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Invoices are a great way to go and get paid, so we're going to guide you through how you can go and use PayPal to create and send them. At the moment, I'm in PayPal Business, but you can also do this in PayPal Personal, and we'll briefly explain that as well. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything, otherwise you may go and miss an important part. So I find PayPal a great way to go and issue invoices as they make it easy to go and create them. So if you're on PayPal Business, you can come down to Quick Access, find the option for invoicing and click there. Or you can go and press Pay and Get Paid to the left. Go down and you can find the option Create and Manage Invoices there as well. In this case, I'll go and press Invoicing here and it will then go and take us to the Manage page. And what you can then do is press Create New in the top right and we can go and press Invoice. And here we are. Now, if you're using PayPal Personal, what you can do is you can come to the top right of the home page and find the option, Create an Invoice. Go and wait, and then we're on the creation page as well. So what you can do is you can come down and enter in the email address or name you want to go and issue it to. So I could go and enter that in now. You can then go and choose item we ship to, and you can add an address. So you can click there and go and type it in. However, if it's not going to, maybe it's a digital product, you can have that unselected. You can then go and add in the item name. So for example, I could go and type in, if it was something like a sponsor, I could do that, or a paid video. I could go and type in the video, enter in the quantity and then the price. I can make it £100. Go and choose the VAT if there is one. So you could go and press add VAT and go and choose the amount it's going to go and be. That depends on your country and region. You should check with your accountant or just with your general tax laws. Add in the description. So this is a sponsor. And you can then start adding more items if needed. You can then go and add in a message to the customer and click on more options and attach anything and add a memo to yourself as well. Now in the top right, you can go and choose who the bill is from. So you can see that there, and you can go and choose the templated currency in the top right. So you can change that if you want to. Scroll down and you can choose the invoice number and the dates. Choose when it's going to go and be due. I can select in 10 days, and you can then come down to payment methods and choose if you want to allow partial payment or a tip. And then what you can do is go and press send, and it's going to be sent to the email that you entered. You can go and do a preview if you want. So I'll then go and click send, and now it's going to go and be sent. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.